data is collected to provide information. However, unorganized data rarely provides the required information. One way to count and record information is by using tally marks. Tally marking is a system used for counting or keeping score. In this, the data is presented in groups of 5. The first 4 counts are represented in vertical lines, and every 5th count is represented by a line running diagonally across the previous 4 lines. Tally marks can be added easily, and their total is the frequency or the number of times a particular observation occurs in the data. Now let's help Ramesh organize his data using tally marks. Ramesh has collected 4 different types of fruits for the daily puja from their orchard. However, he didn't count the fruits while collecting. Now he has to separate these fruits and place them in 4 different baskets. Can you help Ramesh? Click each fruit in the big basket to move it to the appropriate fruit basket. Click Tabulate to view the total number of fruits. So you can see how tally marking helps to tabulate and organize data so that the relevant information can be deduced easily.
Shubhra, Ankita, Paul, Jay, Asim, Rinki and Neha are colleagues who work together in an office. During lunchtime, one day they decide to order food from outside. Each of them paid some amount of money towards the bill. Shubhra paid 36 rupees. Ankita paid 32 rupees. Paul paid 35 rupees. Jay paid 29 rupees. Asim paid 37 rupees. Rinki paid 37 rupees and Neha paid 39 rupees. The total money that they paid was 245 rupees. To calculate an equal and fair share, each needed to pay 245 divided by 7, that is 35 rupees. The method that we used in calculating the equal share is known as the arithmetic mean. Thus, mean or arithmetic mean is equal to the sum of all observations divided by the number of observations. So, Ankita needs to pay 1 rupee to Shubhra and 2 rupees to Asim. On the other hand, Jay should pay 4 rupees to Neha and 2 rupees to Rinki. This will ensure that everyone has paid the same amount. Suppose in this example of the 7 colleagues contributing towards the lunch bill, you wanted to determine the observation which divides them into 2 equal-sized groups of people who paid above and below a certain amount of money. How would you determine that value? And what is that value called? Let us learn. If we write the observations in ascending order, they will be written like this. You can see that 36 divides the data into 2 equal-sized groups of 3 observations above the mid-value and 3 observations below the mid-value. That is, there were 3 people who paid above 36 rupees and 3 people who paid less than 36 rupees. 36 is called the median value. So, we can say that median is that representative value of data which divides the ordered data into 2 equal-sized groups. Of course, you could order the data in any way, ascending or descending. You can see that median is easy to locate if the number of observations is odd, like here. Let us see how we can locate the median when the number of observations is even. In that case, the median value is found by taking the average of the middle two values. Let us learn another measure of central tendency for data. In the same example of 7 friends sharing the cost of lunch, do you notice any observation that occurs more than once? Such an observation is called the mode of the group. In this case, you can see that 37 is the mode. Mode is that observation in the data set that occurs most frequently or is most common. Let us see examples of each representative value. Let's see one example each of calculating mean, median, and mode. Click each button to learn more. Mean or arithmetic mean is equal to the sum of all observations divided by the number of observations. The middle value of a given set of observations is called its median. The observation that occurs most frequently is the mode of that set of information. Look at this table showing calories for each food item. Let us calculate the average or mean value of the calories. We have learnt that mean or arithmetic mean is equal to the sum of all observations divided by the number of observations. The sum of calories or the sum of observations is 1561. Also, the number of food items or observations is 7. Therefore, mean is equal to 1561 divided by 7. That is 223. Let us find the median value of the calories of these food items. Click Ascending Order to arrange the food items in the increasing order of their calorie content. Remember that the middle value of a given set of observations is called its median. Therefore, roasted potatoes have the median calorie count. Now, let us find the mode of the calories of these food items. You already know that the observation that occurs most frequently is the mode of that set of information. Therefore, the mode of this set of observations is 140.